Hi, I'm Guy, and I recently started reading the Kim Commando newsletter and the videos therein, and one of them was about the fake news that's coming out from Israel from the attack that Hamas did, and they're using old stuff. And so she said, well, just look at the video timestamp, and then went on like everybody knows how to check a video's timestamp. In the course of the matter, if you don't know how to check a video timestamp in Windows, I put a post up into the show notes for the Guy R. Cook Report at the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com that spells it out in 4 steps how to check the video timestamp to make sure you're not getting fake news with an old video. Okay? Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.